Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let's see how to install UiPath Studio and what are the specifications required to install UiPath Studio as well. So to install UiPath Studio, first we need to know we have a cloud um, platform called Orchestrator in UiPath. So from there, we are going to install the UiPath Studio. To open that, first we need to search for cloud.uipath.com. If you open this website, you'll be able to see this page. It will be asking to sign in. If you have already registered, then you can go ahead and sign in with your um, ID and password. If not, if you are a new user to this cloud platform, then go ahead and click on sign up and fill all the details which it is asking for. And then you can create an account. As of now, I have already been registered with this. I'll be logging in with the existing credentials. So this is how it looks, uh, the cloud orchestrator. So this is the home page. We'll talk each and everything in detail about this orchestrator. What are the components will we have in this? So if to install a studio, if you look at an on your right side, it is showing as start in studio web, download studio desktop. So currently we have both cloud studio and desktop as well. Today, as we are discussing how to install a studio on your desktop, you just go ahead and click on download studio desktop, and by the time it gets download, I want you people to know, like, in this studio we'll have two versions, which is a community edition and the enterprise edition. Community edition can be used by anyone. Even a small businesses can use this community edition. Enterprise edition is a paid version where you have a few more features available when compared to community edition. So as I'm now downloading it, I have logged into the community edition itself, as I haven't took any license. So I'll be going ahead and downloading the studio for community edition itself. And in this video, I'll be showing you the specifications which are required to install the studio on your Windows. It is still in progress. Once it is done, we'll continue. So after the download completes, you can see a file called .msi will be saved in your local system. So once you double click on that, it will be preparing to install the UiPath Studio in your system. So here, if you see, like, it is asking for a quick installation. Is it for community user or the enterprise version? Based upon your license type, if you have any license, you can click on enterprise. But as I don't have any license, I'll be clicking on the community user. I click on I accept and click on install. This takes a few minutes to complete. See, you can see the launch UiPath Studio button. So you just need to click on launch. And before this, it has asked for closing Chrome and Edge. So we need to like for doing any automations, we need to install Chrome extension as well. That we'll see in later videos. So if you see like the app has been launched and it is asking for a sign. Once you click on sign in, it will redirect to the default browser where you have this. And if you see, it is asking for turn on the extension. Like whatever browser you are using currently, it is open in Edge. So it is asking for turn on extension. We just need to click on turn on extension, and as usual, we need to logging in. As we are logging in, it is asking, it is trying to open a UiPath application. So if we click on OK, then it will be successfully signed into the uh, UiPath Studio. Now here we can see UiPath Studio and Studio X. Currently, I'm selecting UiPath Studio and I'll explain you about both in the future videos. So assistant. And I also want to mention one more thing is like if you install a studio along with that, if you search, you'll be able to see UiPath Assistant as well. Even that will be downloaded along with the UiPath Studio. So in our next videos, we'll explore UiPath Studio, UiPath Assistant, and UiPath Orchestrator as well. Coming to the specifications, I'll just show you um, what specifications are required to install the UiPath Studio. If you see, this is the document uploaded by UiPath. If you click on that, you can see what all the specification, what all the hardware and software requirements needed to install UiPath Studio in your system. So, coming to the hardware requirements, it is saying like the minimum and the recommended requirements. CPU codes minimum need to be 2 by 1.8 gigahertz, and the recommended is 4 by 2.4 gigahertz, which is a 64-bit, and 4 GB of RAM is a minimum requirement. Recommended is 8 GB. Disk space is by default minimum. It is showing this, and there is no any recommended thing for the space. And coming to the software requirements, it is showing which all the operating systems it will be supported versions, and what all particularities need to be there. I'll share this link in the description as well. Even the cloud UiPath link also I'll share in the description. Please go ahead and see all the requirements if it is meeting, and then go ahead to the cloud UiPath.com and register yourself and install the studio. And in our next videos, we'll explore about studio assistant and orchestrator. Please do follow, share, and subscribe for more RPA tech videos. Thank you.